Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to upload a file. From the dashboard, you'll find Data Submissions on the left menu. In this example, we will upload an ECQM file to production. Click the Production tab. Now you're on the Upload page. To upload a file, click Select File. Select the file from your computer, then open it. You will see the file processing on the right. Once it's finished, it will confirm acceptance with a green check mark. You can also upload a file by drag and drop. To do so, open the folder on your computer, select the file, and drag it into the file table. The file will now process. You can also drag a folder in as well. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.